This video was produced by Lion Total Care, dedicated to keeping you safer longer. Chapter 7: Advanced Cleaning and Advanced Inspection of Protective Footwear. The purpose of advanced cleaning and advanced inspection is to have trained personnel perform thorough cleaning on your footwear and evaluate whether it is fit for duty in its current condition. Advanced cleaning and advanced inspection must be performed by trained fire department personnel or an independent service provider in order to reduce the safety risks and potential health risks associated with poorly maintained, contaminated, or damaged protective footwear. NFPA 1850 requires your department to perform an advanced inspection at a minimum of every 12 months or whenever a routine inspection indicates a problem exists. During an advanced inspection, the inspector must determine if the footwear is fit for duty and can be returned to service, the item is in need of repair before it can be returned to service, or if the item needs to be retired. All findings from an advanced inspection must be documented on an inspection form and kept on file with the department. An advanced cleaning is required every 6 months, with one being at the time of annual advanced inspection. Advanced cleaning can be performed in your station's utility sink using PPE specialty cleaning product such as Lion Station Care, a soft bristled brush, and protective gloves and eye protection. For general cleaning, fill the utility sink with 6 inches of water, adding Lion Station Care while the sink is filling. Never use chlorine or a cleaning product with chlorine on your fire boots. Apply clean, soapy water on the outside of the boot and brush with gentle strokes around the welt until the dirt is removed. Rinse the dirt from the boot as you clean. Clean the upper portion of the outside of your boot in the same manner. Take care when scrubbing a silver stripe of reflective trim. Clean dirt off the tread and soles. Rinse away all soap and dirt from the boots. Remove excess moisture with a towel or soft cloth. Let your boots air dry by placing them on a rack in a dry, well-ventilated room away from sunlight. Do not place your boots next to a heat source when drying. Never use a blow dryer, heat gun, or space heater to accelerate the drying of your boots. Heat generated from these tools can seriously damage the fabric, seams, and reflective trim of your boots. Inspect the outer boot for physical damage. Look for cuts, tears, or punctures, missing or broken stitches. Check to see if the steel toe, steel midsole, or shank are exposed or deformed. Examine the inner boot for damage to the liner, such as tears, separation from the outer layer, heel counter failure, and loss of water resistance. To check your protective footwear for leaks, tear off 3 12-inch pieces from a roll of brown paper towels. Crumble each piece of paper towel into a ball. Push 1 ball each into the toe, insole, and heel of the boot. Place the boots into a pan or sink filled with 5 inches of tap water and hold down for 10 seconds. Remove the boots from the pan. Remove crumpled paper towels from the boot with dry hands. Check the paper towels for signs of wetness. If you detect wetness, this indicates leakage. Remove the boots from service immediately and contact supervisory personnel. If any damage or malfunction is detected, document it on the inspection form and do not return the boot to service until it has been repaired. Contact the manufacturer. All repairs must be made by the manufacturer or a verified independent service provider. For additional information on the care of structural firefighter footwear, contact Lion Total Care.